What do I expect from the parish? We expect guidance, support, cooperation for every activity we have. For the question number 2, what are my evaluations, positive or negative, of the parish? For my positive evaluations, systematic way of running the activities of the parish. Negative, I will read to you the negative. Ushers or ushers talking while the daily mass is going on. That's the activity. That's the negative evaluation. What are your recommendations to the parish? What we have in the Legion of Mary is the Bible study. Next, what can the parish expect from me? The parish expect from me to do the regular activities we have started, like sick visitations, campaigning for marriage validation, baptism and confirmation, supervision of the Blood Rosary with the members of the Legion of Mary.